Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am back and today I'm going to be doing a bit of a reaction video because I've got another video, like another surprise video for you guys today. I might even stream it, I don't know. But yeah, I'm probably not going to stream it, but yeah. So today I'm going to be reacting to a Casey Neistat vlog. If you don't know who Casey Neistat is, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. He is one of the, he is the best vlogger on the planet. I know a lot of you are going to be saying, oh no, Jake Paul is, or oh no, it's Logan Paul. No, this guy's way better than both of them. So Casey Neistat is a YouTuber with 7 million subscribers. And yeah, this is the $21,000 first class airplane seat. So this is gonna be this is gonna be about a 9-minute video that I'm gonna be reacting to here. So here we go. Let's start it. Oh my God, it's got automatic doors. Oh, you know, these are one of the things that you just wish you had in your life, but you know you will never have in your life. Like, I know I'm never gonna be able to afford a $21,000 first class airplane seat. Like, what? Wow, look at that. Look at that price. That was the lowest price. Look at that. $21,600 US. What?
When I think of the greatest days in my entire life, I think of when my children were...
Oh yeah, and also, shout out to Casey Neistat. Link to his channel in the description below. Go subscribe. Go show him some support. Go tell him I sent you. So yeah.
Or perhaps when my son graduated high school, or today, when I was upgraded from business to first on Emirates.
He was upgraded? He didn't even buy that? Oh my gosh, guys. See, like, he has made 2 other videos on first class airplane seats, and I've heard that this one's the best, and I haven't watched it yet, just so I could God, voice crack, puberty, just so I could react to it for you guys. So here we go.
I don't know what I did to deserve this, I really don't.
Look at that! Drinks. This is like a fully cushioned area. Yo. You don't even have to be buckled in. That's amazing. What? Snacks and a writing kit. You don't get snacks until like midway through the plane on just business. No, like if you're just in a normal seat. You do not get snacks until like in the middle of the flight. And no matter what you say or do, cannot make them come any quicker. Holy cow. Like that. Yo, look at this. It's like, what? He's got a TV screen? Are you kidding me? Look, he's got like his own room. That's insane. Yeah, I wish I could have total privacy. Instead, nope, it's 2 other people looking over at me the whole time. What? Oh my God. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my goodness, look at that footroom. That's one of the biggest struggles on airplane seats. My feet are always like curled up in a ball, like underneath my chair because of no footroom. Oh my gosh, no. What? Oh, what? He can close his blinds with that. Yeah. Yeah, that's bigger than my TV at home. Well, probably not, but. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, what? Oh, it's motorized? That's crazy.
Purser told me that I just order whatever I want, whenever I want. There's no meal time.
Really? Seriously, there's no meal time. You just have to order whatever they want. They order whatever they want. What? There's caviar. If you don't know what caviar is the most expensive food in the world. And they've got it on this airplane. And it's free.
This is caviar. If you don't know, caviar, fish eggs.
Yeah, it's fish eggs. Oh, God. I've heard it's really salty. I kind of want to see his face. Oh, he's manning it down. That heavy breathing. Oh. Salty, right? Yeah. Oh, he agreed. That other guy over there, he's just like, what are you doing, dude?
Conditions the amenities kit.
What?
Everything was like all kinds of great surprises in it, like shaving cream.
Holy cow.
They gave me this big bag. See?
Yo, they give you a big... Oh, my God, that's amazing.
Slippers.
What? Slippers? Eye shades? Oh my gosh. No. They've got pajamas? Oh my gosh.
Pajamas, but I appreciate the gesture. Alright, this is what it looks like when it goes from a seat, from a chair, to a bed.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, it can convert? It can convert! It can seriously convert into a bed. What? The lovely flight attendant got super upset that I was making my own bed and insisted on finishing. Wow. They get angry at you for making your own bed. This is what I wish my house was like. People get angry at me for me not making my bed. Like, this is better than my house. Wow. Oh my gosh, seriously? That looks so comfortable. Could you imagine? That would be the best. Oh, jeez. I'm so jealous. Oh my God. Whoa.
The moment has arrived. Vic told me my shower is ready.
I'm done. I am done. I am so done. Really? There's a shower. Oh my God. Showering on an airplane. What? Ugh, if only. If I could somehow get my family upgraded to this with my whole YouTube job, then that would be amazing. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Look at that bathroom. Seriously, that is a better... Okay, seriously, if that is a better bathroom than I have here at my house, it's bigger than I have here at my house. And this is all on an airplane, keep in mind, guys. 30 free minutes. Oh, yeah, and I've also heard that they've heated the floors and they're carpeted.
I got 5 minutes of running water in the shower. I give you 25 other minutes to fill.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. That's amazing. It's got a running sink.
That's a real working.
What? That's a real orchid. Oh my gosh. If only normal planes had stuff like that. Oh my gosh, look at that. That shower is huge. Ha! It's that shocker. Oh my god, wow. Showering on an airplane would be so insane. It's gotta be so awesome. Wow.
I feel fresh and clean. This concludes my airplane shower spot experience.
Wow. That would be amazing.
Thank you. Truly extraordinary experience. Did you shower? Yeah. How was it? Incredible, right? Unbelievable.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh no, there's the end of the flight.
Thank you. It really does change your whole relationship with travel. When you take what was the most painful part of traveling, and instead of that being a terrible experience, it goes from pain.
Oh my god, helicopter. Wow, guys, that was amazing. Oh my goodness, that's one of those things in life that you wish you had, but like that's one of the things in life that I wish I had, but I know I could never get. So, yeah, tell me what you guys think of that in the comments section below. And so yeah, if you did enjoy it, make sure to smash the like button with your face. Also remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.